Hey guys, welcome to Campus Racing's workshop. We are entering the building. Follow me. I want to welcome you to a tour in the factory, in our workshop, show you what we are doing when we are off racing. We start with our nice showroom. These are the cars from the past that were in some way serving the team. We can see an old Formula Renault's Formula One, a nice Alfa Romeo touring car, some trophies in the back, just for a first impression. So let's go in. Here we have the car's base. We have mechanics working during the week over the cars, preparing them for the race weekends. Here we see my car, quite tearing apart. A lot of work to be done before the next race weekend. We have all the parts, all the covering parts ready to be installed. So the bays are divided by the categories. Here we have the two Formula 2 cars. Here we have the GP3 cars of the team. And the next category will be the Formula 3 of the team. We see all cars are now preparing to their next race weekend. We have the truck waiting to be loaded right there. We have our very unique pit stop practice bay to have the mechanics ready to push in and out the tires during a race weekend. So here they get prepared. We have our parts workshop inside here. A lot of metal parts are being manufactured around. A lot of noise is being heard here during the week. So let's climb up a bit. Our Tools and Race gear store, our stickers place, one of my favorites. We see here history cars standing in line. This is like a legacy made by Adrian Campos. Here is one of the most used rooms by the drivers. We are entering simulator number 1. Here we see the engineer's computer control center over the simulator. There we see the chassis and the screen. We, the drivers, are spending here lots and lots of hours preparing to the race weekends. It is a very, very important tool in all motorsports. Let's continue. The head and the brain of the team sits in this room. This is the engineering room. We see all the engineers working. We will not discover the secrets, of course, but this is, of course, the heart of the team, the engineering part. And upstairs we have all our offices, the PR sector, and accounting, all the back supporters of the team. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. We need you to follow us during the weekends. See you.